Greater the electronegativity of the electron withdrawing group, greater will be its effect. So acidity of fluoroacetic acid, chloroacetic acid, bromoacetic acid is in the order. In order to answer this question, just compare the electronegativity of fluorine, chlorine and bromine, because these two compounds differ with respect to these atoms only. We know fluorine is more electronegative than chlorine is more electronegative than bromine. Hence the effect of fluorine will be more than chlorine will be more than bromine. Hence the acidity will be first is greater than, second is greater than, third. He can ask you the same question. Which of the pKa value of the three will be in the order? Dear students, greater the acidity, lesser the pKa. So pKa will be in the reverse order. So whenever you are answering a question, please do see whether he has asked about Ka or pKa or he has asked about the acidic character directly. Acidity of trichloro, dichloro, monochloroacetic acid is in the order. We know electron withdrawing group increases the acidic character. Greater the electronegativity, greater the acidic character. In the same way, greater the number of electron withdrawing group, greater will be the effect, hence greater will be the acidic character. So first will be more acidic, then second will be more acidic than third, hence the answer will be first. This was regarding acidic character, and we have concluded that groups having plus resonance effect stabilize the cation, they stabilize the anion also, and groups having minus resonance effect stabilize only the anion and not the cation. Regarding acidity, group having minus resonance effect, group having minus inductive effect will increase the acidity, but they will decrease the basicity. Now basicity of amines is in the order. Dear students, ammonia is basic due to presence of lone pair of electrons. In all the three cases, nitrogen has a lone pair of electron. But in the first case, alkyl group is there. Alkyl group has plus inductive effect. So it will increase the electron density on nitrogen. Hence the basic character will more as compared to ammonia. In the case of third, chlorine is there. Chlorine is more electronegative than carbon. It will pull electron from nitrogen, decreases electron density on nitrogen. So the basic character will be least. Hence the answer will be first is greater than, second is greater than third. Other effect is resonance. Resonance comes into play only when number 1, lone pair of electron is in conjugation with double bond. Number 2, positive charge is in conjugation with double bond. Number 3, the double bond is in conjugation. Number 4, unpaired electron is in conjugation. Whenever you are forming different resonating forms, please see to it that the positive charge is on the less electronegative atom and negative charge is on the more electronegative atom. However, the exception is acylamine, RCO. In this case, the form 2 is more stable than first, because although oxygen carries positive charge, this is because in form 2 the octet of both the atoms are complete, whereas in first it is not. Now just like resonance decreases the heat of hydrogenation, resonance increases the stability, resonance decreases the bond length of the compound. Hyperconjugation, like inductive effect, it is also permanent and operates in those molecules which possess carbon hydrogen bond at alpha position to double bond or carbon hydrogen bond at alpha position to positive charge, and takes place through the interaction of sigma electron of hydrogen carbon bond with pi electrons of double bond. Dear students, hyperconjugation increases the stability, hyperconjugation decreases the heat of hydrogenation, hyperconjugation explains ortho and para directing property of alkyl group, hyperconjugation explains meta directing property of CCl3 group, hyperconjugation explains the stability of more substituted alkenes. Now, stability of alkenes, first, second, third and fourth is in the order. We know more substituted alkene is more stable because this will have greater number of hyperconjugative forms. So first has got maximum number of substituents, all are methyl groups, so the number of hyperconjugative forms will be 12, 3, 4 each. As a result, this will be the most stable. Then second, then third. Out of trans and cis, trans is more stable than cis.